My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Bmw X4. This vehicle has done just under 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media/radio, communication, navigation and connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.